Okay, so back in Al's kitchen. This is a complimentary video to go with my recently released Chicken Tikka Biryani. Now I've had quite a lot of people asking me to do one of the side curries that comes with a biryani in a restaurant. Now in my experience they've never been that great, to be honest, or flavoursome, but the chefs would make them just to moisten up your biryani so it wasn't too dry. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. So if you don't like it, what I would suggest is you make any gravy that I've made in my 30-minute series. That way you'll have enough gravy for 4 portions as the biryani is for 4 portions. Now we're going back to BIR, which is British Indian restaurant style. So I've defrosted some base gravy, diluted it, and I've heated it through. But we're going to start by heating the pan, and we're going to add some vegetable oil, not my oil of choice, but what they use in the restaurants. So warm that oil through. Shouldn't take too long with a nice aluminium pan. Remember, aluminium's important because we're going to be caramelising the base gravy. Right, I'll tell you the ingredients as I go along as well. I'll get that nice and warm. Right, first of all, we've got 2 tablespoons of double concentrate tomato puree, and I've mixed it with a little water just so that it can be poured in. A lot of people keep asking me about ratios of water. It doesn't matter because it evaporates out what we don't need. So in goes the tomato puree first. You can put the ginger garlic in first, but this is a safer way of preventing the ginger garlic from burning. Right, cook out the bitterness of those tomatoes. And here I've got 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Right, so once we've fried out our ginger garlic paste along with the tomatoes for around 30 seconds, we're just going to add 2 tablespoons of mixed powder and half a teaspoon of cumin. Mix that through. And again with the spices, we're going to bloom them. So we're going to fry them for around 30 seconds, not more than that, and make sure it doesn't burn. Now we're going to add in some peas. Do you notice in the restaurants you usually get a few peas in it, and sometimes you'll get some carrot as well. Remember, it is just a basic curry, and do you know what? Kids are like this curry because it's basic, so it might be a good idea to get your little ones onto this. I'm going to loosen it a little bit with some base gravy. Just increase that heat again. Aluminium is a great conductor of heat, which is why one of the reasons why we use it in our BIR cooking. Like I say, this serves 2. You can always double up if you want it for 4. I'm going to add 2 ladles of base gravy. And I've got half a teaspoon of salt, but just add salt to taste. Might need a little more. And what we're going to do is we're just going to reduce that down for around, I don't know, 8 minutes, just to thicken the gravy, and then it'll be ready. And it's as simple as that. I'll come back to you in around 8 minutes. Right, we've got around 2 minutes to go, and as you can see, it's thickened up nicely. And it's resembling more the consistency of the curry. I've add a large pinch of sugar just between your fingers. And that is nearly ready to serve. Yep, I'm happy with that. Right, gas out. There we are. 1 side curry to go with the biryani. Actually, this was for 2, so there's another portion left in there. So there we go. Now I'm going to have this for my dinner with a biryani actually, so up close to the camera. Good luck with that. Post pictures on the Secret Curry Club and all your social media.